Maximize your space, innovative shoe rack and cabinet solutions. Are you tired of tripping over shoes every time you walk in the door? We've got the perfect solution for you. Imagine a home where every shoe has its place and clutter is a thing of the past. That's what we offer. Our space-saving shoe racks are designed to fit into the smallest corners, transforming your space into an oasis of organization. With innovative designs that maximize capacity, our shoe cabinets ensure your collection is accessible, yet discreetly tucked away. From sleek, slimline models that slide into narrow spaces to stylish cabinets that double as decor, we've thought of everything. Not only do our products keep your shoes in pristine condition, but they also elevate the look of any room. Say goodbye to the chaos of scattered footwear. Welcome to the era of smart, space-saving Adeckko shoe cabinets.